Meanwhile, Olisa Agbakoba, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, says Anti-graft agency, the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, should not be in existence. Agbakoba argues that the commission is operating outside the Constitution.
Decided by the Supreme Court, in which they say federalism means two autonomous and independent governments. Now, if that is correct, then the EFCC has no right to go to the state's public account to say, we want to probe you, because they have no power. The other point to note is that the EFCC is a federal establishment enacted by the National Assembly. And under Section 4 of the Constitution, powers of government are divided into two, federal and state. If the EFCC is a federal agency, can the EFCC be prosecuting state offenses? That is the question. And that came up in the Mobike case, and the Supreme Court castigated the EFCC. You can't be everywhere. If we allow you to do what you are doing, then it means you have made the police redundant, you have made all law enforcement agencies redundant.